Alright guys, I don't know what video this is going in yet, but got a big old delivery. Check this out. Damn dude, all airlift, everything airlift, everything's airlift. I guess we can show that. Oh, this is the tank airlift. Dude, nice tank. Look at that. Even has airlift stamps right there. That's pretty cool. Dude, hell yeah. This is dope. Guys, and welcome back to another video. So, a sort of a change in plans, the way everything was supposed to work out. But today we are going to begin bagging his car. Now, I don't know how much I'm going to show because I really just want to try to get it done as quick as possible. Originally, his friend was supposed to get it done, but you know, just some stuff kind of came up, not a big deal. So instead of me just filming the process, I'm now going to be, for the most part, doing it now for him. So my main goal today is, if possible, we have the instructions right here. We went with the full airlift 3S management kit. So the main goal I think today is to get everything to where I think it'll at least power on. We'll see. I don't know really how far we're gonna get yet, but also with daily vlogs and everything, it's gonna be kind of hard. I need to try to get this done today and edit it for tomorrow and whatnot. So it's probably gonna be over the course of a few days. So I'm gonna probably just start working and then show you what it is I did, and then get more done and then show you what it is I did. That way I'm not focusing on recording and this and that and setting up angles and all of that good stuff. Hey guys, quick update. Got the power cables ran. They're not at the battery yet, but they come right through here. Both. Right here. Under the carpet. Through the back. And they are in the trunk now. Okay, so that's good. So now we're going to move on to the next thing, which, let's see. Looking at this, I think I'm going to go ahead and get these attached to the positive and to the negative. And then from there, it has 4 and 4, like that. And we're going to attach pretty much everything else that goes to it, which it looks like the management is going to be one of them. And the compressors, and I don't really know what else. Looks like a relay. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then we'll go ahead and get that done. Guys, I don't even know how long it's been. Probably a couple of hours. I kind of just started working, honestly. I just got into the groove and I just kept going. So I do apologize, but let me show you what I do have. So right now I have, there's the power, or positive and negative. I have all of the relays connected. The only one left is for the compressors right there and right there. Those are all, everything is fully connected. I do have the fuses out right now. This right here is going to go to the management, which also nothing's bolted down. Well, these are. This isn't bolted down yet because we don't know what we're doing. Yeah, as far as where to mount it. Everything's connected right now. There's a splice in that goes from here, and it kind of goes around, but it's the main power, not the main power cable, but the one that's going to turn once the key turns, that's going to turn on. So I'm getting ready to hook that up to one of the fuses up there, and then pretty much we should be able to pop the fuses in, and the management itself should kick in. And it should be fully basically done. And then from there, like I said, it's a matter of mounting the compressor, mounting the compressors, the management, the tank, obviously, all of that stuff. And then I will end up cleaning up the wires. It's not bad, but it'll look nicer than that. And then, of course, we'll hide those. Most likely, both of these panels will end up having to come out. But that's pretty much what we have right now. super stoked. Like I said, I just went ham and just started working, just trying to get this done because I have the wrap on the way for his car, and I know once that comes in, I need to focus on that. So if I can at least get this thing to where it powers on. Oh, and then we do actually have to hook those up too. So technically it won't power on yet. But we can test it. We can probably wrap it around the fender. But I just got to run it up. So like I said, yeah, a lot of stuff to do to his car. And, you know, so I figured I might as well just give them a hand and just start knocking this out now. And just probably just work through the night, to be honest. All right, we got the G pulled in. Look at these two beauties. Dude, I can't wait, guys. These two things are going to look so sick together. We're at the Christmas tree farm. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Our first Christmas